With so many exchanges and changing regulations around them, it can be challenging to choose a solid platform to start your day trading. Then, to add to the problem, you have to decide what your trading situation entails in terms of things like fiat currencies, preferred geographic location, and personal goals. At that point, it's worth asking yourself, is day trading crypto worth it? For most, it's only a matter of finding the best day trading crypto exchanges and comparing its features. There are many crypto exchanges available in the market. Some popular ones are Binance, Coinbase, Ledger, eToro. Cryptocurrency exchanges that allow day trading, the options below are a combination of wallet and exchange, while others are simply exchanges that offer a custodial wallet for practical trading purposes. Coinbase. Coinbase was founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Asim. It was created as a platform for trading Bitcoins, but has expanded to include other cryptocurrencies. Coinbase features include buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, buy and sell digital assets, wallet service for storing digital currencies, instant buying or selling of cryptocurrencies. Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange created by Changpeng Zhao, the CEO of Binance. It is one of the most popular exchanges in the world and has been increasing since its launch in July 2017. Binance offers users a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade with, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. In addition, the platform also provides fiat trading pairs for USD, Tether, USD, Ethereum. Binance Exchange key features: low trading fees 0.1%, fast transaction speed 2 seconds, high liquidity 100x more than other exchanges. Binance offers a wide range of trading pairs, which means that you can trade any cryptocurrency with any other cryptocurrency. Robinhood. Robinhood is a stock trading app that allows users to trade stocks without paying any commission. It was created by 2 Stanford students in 2013 and has since grown to be one of the most popular apps in the US. The company has raised $363 million from investors, including Goldman Sachs, Andreessen, Horowitz, and Sequoia Capital. Robinhood offers a list of features that make it stand out from other trading apps. These features include free stock trades, no commission fees on stock trades, no account minimums or monthly fees, no hidden fees or charges. When choosing this exchange, there are no fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, no fees for transferring cryptocurrencies to other wallets or exchanges, and no fees for withdrawing cryptocurrencies to your bank account or credit card. Overbit. Overbit is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies without a third party. It is a peer-to-peer platform that uses smart contracts and blockchain technology to facilitate transactions. The Overbit team has created this platform intending to make cryptocurrency trading more accessible and secure. The Overbit platform offers features such as a user can create their own token on the Overbit platform. The user can use the token to issue dividends or share profits with other users. The user can also use the token as collateral for loans or investments. Overbit has more than 100,000 registered users, a 2-factor authentication that helps secure your account, advanced trading tools, and an excellent customer experience. Ledger. Ledger was created by Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum. He wanted to make an exchange that would be more secure and transparent than other exchanges in the market. Ledger is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that uses blockchain technology to provide a secure and transparent platform for trading. Ledger features include a budgeting tool to help you manage your spending and income, a transaction history to see how much money you have spent or earned in the past, a list of transactions to see what has been bought or sold, an expense tracker to keep track of all the expenses that you have incurred. Ledger has a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade with, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and more. Plus 500. Plus 500 is a trading platform that offers CFD on indices, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. It was founded in London in 2007 by 2 brothers, Michael and Leonid Avramov. The company has been growing steadily since its inception, with over $1 billion of assets under management as of 2018. Plus 500 offers a wide range of features to its clients. Some of the most popular features are 24/7 customer support, trading on margin, trading CFD, forks, and cryptocurrencies, mobile trading app, a variety of trading instruments. Plus 500 has low fees, an easy-to-use interface, and an extremely fast execution time. BlackBull Associates. BlackBull Associates Cryptocurrency Exchange is a new cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2018. It is a platform that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. The company has raised $1 million in funding from investors such as the founder of the company, who has also invested $500,000 of his own money into the project. BlackBull Associates is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of features to its users. This list includes the following: 24/7 customer support, multiple payment options, advanced trading tools, a user-friendly interface, a secure and reliable platform. BlackBull offers 24/7 customer support, low fees, high liquidity, and advanced trading tools. Webull has been designed with simplicity in mind, so anyone can use it regardless of their technical knowledge or experience with cryptocurrencies. The platform also offers its own cryptocurrency called Wool tokens, which can be used as payment for goods and services on the Webull marketplace. Webull has many features that make it stand out from the rest of the marketplaces. Some of these features are a user-friendly interface with an easy-to-use search function, a wide range of products to choose from, including electronics, fashion, and more. Acap. Acap is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2017. It is based in Singapore and has been operating since then. The company offers trading services for cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and more. The Acap cryptocurrency exchange key features list includes a user-friendly interface, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, an intuitive trading interface, a secure and reliable trading environment. Liquid is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies without a central authority. It was created by Roger Ver, who also created Bitcoin Cash and Ripple. Liquid is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a wide range of features including a user-friendly interface and easy-to-use trading platform, a variety of order types including market, limit, stop loss, stop limit, trailing stop limit, and fill or kill orders. Local Bitcoins. Local Bitcoins is a peer-to-peer Bitcoin exchange that allows users to buy and sell Bitcoins for cash. It was founded in 2012 by Jeremias Kangas and Aaron Nieminen. The company has been growing rapidly since then. Local Bitcoins offers a wide range of features that make it easy for users to trade cryptocurrencies. These features include a simple interface with an easy-to-use design, a wide variety of payment methods including bank transfers, credit cards, and PayPal, an escrow service that protects both parties in case of disputes or scams, a list of trading pairs with different cryptocurrencies, best crypto exchange for day trading winner. Ledger is the best crypto exchange for day trading because it offers a secure platform with no hidden fees, works offline, and has a simple interface. The best part about Ledger is how it combines usability and security. It's great for beginners and offers industry-standard security. Walkstar Investments hopes you enjoyed our video. Please leave us a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you don't miss our latest and greatest news, reviews, and upcoming trends. Check out our links in the description below for a deeper dive into the world of cryptocurrency.